Take a look at this dashboard. That is $982 in monthly passive earnings, generated from 1,567 clicks. This income didn't come from buying ads or doing microtasks for pennies. It came from a single piece of helpful content. In the next 5 minutes, I'll walk you through the exact steps to build a passive income-generating affiliate asset of your own. This strategy removes the usual barriers to entry. You don't need a website, you don't need an audience, and you need zero budget. To start, prepare your workspace. Open a tab for an AI chatbot like ChatGPT, a link manager like Short.io, and a publishing platform like Substack. Setting up these specific tools marks the point where you stop consuming content and start building your own digital inventory. Step 1 is picking your product. The rule for success is simple. Only select a product or service that you actively use and would recommend to a friend. Once you have your product, search Google for the product name, followed by affiliate program. This will take you directly to their sign-up portal. After you register and log in to their affiliate dashboard, which might be on a network like CJ or Impact, you will find your unique referral link. Copy that raw URL. Now, do not paste that link directly into your content. Affiliate networks frequently restructure their raw URLs. When they do, every link you have ever shared will break, and you'll stop earning commissions. To protect your work, create a managed link. The raw link fails when a company updates their system, while the managed link keeps traffic flowing. Paste your raw URL into a free service like Short.io to generate the custom short link you'll actually share. If the affiliate network changes the raw link structure in the future, you simply log in to your Short.io dashboard and update the destination URL in one place. Bulletproofing your links ensures that the guides you publish today stay functional and continue to capture commissions for years. Step 2 requires a shift in how you think about your audience. High conversions happen when you stop trying to sell and start trying to solve a problem. Tutorials capture readers who are already looking for a solution. When your product is the specific tool that completes that solution, clicking the link becomes the logical next step for the reader. To figure out what your audience is searching for, switch over to your AI chatbot to brainstorm topics. Use this prompt. I am promoting, insert your product. Create 10 tutorial ideas where this product is naturally mentioned as a solution. Specific prompts like this guide the AI to structure the content around utility. It produces a list of guides where the product serves as a functional component of the instructions, which builds trust with your readers. Step 3 is drafting the content. If you tell the AI to write a blog post, it often produces robotic, generic text that readers can spot from a mile away. To get better results, use the pattern technique. This method allows you to generate helpful tutorials that match a specific writing style. First, look at the list of 10 ideas you just generated and pick the tutorial title that offers the most value to a beginner. The core technique is uploading a sample of high-quality writing into the AI. Find a guide you admire and paste it into the chat for context. Then, instruct the AI to write your new tutorial using that exact same tone and style. Once the draft is finished, spend 15 minutes reviewing the text. Verify the technical steps and add a few sentences of your own experience to the introduction to ensure the final guide is accurate. The pattern technique gives you the drafting speed of AI while maintaining the authenticity readers look for before they make a purchase. Step 4 is getting your work live. Copy your polished tutorial over to a free publishing platform with high traffic, like Medium or Substack. Make sure your bulletproof managed link is placed naturally within the body of the tutorial, right where the reader would need to use the product. Give it a clear, descriptive title and hit publish. Hitting publish moves your content out of your private drafts and onto a public platform, where search engines and readers can find it. Your guide is now live and capable of capturing traffic. You have now successfully built an AI-assisted, perfectly linked guide on a major platform. Be realistic about the timeline. Your first few posts might get 0 clicks. Most people quit during this initial phase because they don't see immediate results. However, every helpful post you publish is a permanent asset. They work for you 24/7, catching search traffic and compounding your reach the more you publish. Shift your focus from tracking daily commissions to producing consistent, helpful resources. While traffic takes time to build, a library of useful guides increases your chances of capturing search intent and earning commissions over the long term. Start today. Pick one product, Use AI to map out your first guide and publish it. Have questions? Leave them in the comments below.